2 hour workday hack that nobody is talking about. My name is Khalif Williams. I am a married girl dad of two beautiful daughters, 3 and 8 years old. And I discovered this hack following a 2 hour blueprint to daily pay online. My goal with this is to get myself personally and my family's debt cleared this year. This blueprint teaches me the skills that allows a fully automated done for you business to go out there do all the selling, telling and closing of customers. I have four digital products that pay me 100, 300, 600 and $900 a day each and every time they sell. And the best part is that it pays 100% commissions, and I'm only having to plug into this 2 hours a day. So I'm able to do this around my jobs, around my wife's, and around my daughter's until the 2 hours of training is complete. And then the fully automated system does all the selling, telling, and closing and sends me 100% commissions like clockwork. If you're looking for a system to be able to make some additional income, put blueprint in the comments and I will send you the details.